Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how to add video background in HTML and CSS. So in this video you will learn that we have add a video background and we have add an overlay on this video to add some colored effect on our video, and we will make this background video completely responsive. So let me show you on tablet devices. On tablet devices our output will look like this, and on mobile devices our video will be still look completely responsive and it will not stretch. So you will learn this completely in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and before start I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, you can see that here we have a folder on my desktop named video background, and inside this folder I have three main files. The one is index.html, style.css, and this is my video file that I'm going to use as a background. Here you can see that I have opened this project folder in Visual Studio Code, and to the right side you will able to see the output. So first of all I will create a basic HTML structure, and here I will type video background tutorial. Next, inside the body element I have to create a video element, remove this source attribute, and inside this I will create a source tag. Here I have to type autoplay. It means that our video will be played by itself when user will open our website. Next, type loop attribute. It means that video will be playing again and again and again. And next I will type here muted. Suppose your video has a voice, your user will not able to listen that voice. Next, inside the source attribute I will type my video name, which is myvideo.mp4, and next we have to type this attribute video/mp4. So you can see a video in our output. By using CSS we will make this video completely responsive. Next I will type here div.overlay, and I'm going to create another div with class navbar, and we don't have to insert any content inside this overlay class. This div will be used to create an overlay effect on our this video. Next, inside the navbar class I will create another div with class logo, create h2 element, and here I will type logo. You can see a logo word here. Outside this logo class I will create an unordered list and create 4 list items. The first one would be home, news, about, and contact us. Next, outside this navbar class I will create another div with class content. Here I will type h1. I will type some text like dream big, work hard, and we have to create an a element here with text login. So you can see the output. Friends, we have done with our HTML code. Next, open style.css, and here I will type star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. The properties that I'm writing in this block of code will be implemented on our each HTML element. These two properties will remove the default margin and padding of our each HTML element. Next, we have to use a Google font in my project. So I will search here Google Fonts, click on the first link, click on these 3 bars and select fonts. Here you can search for your desired font. Like I'm going to search here Poppins. Click on this font. You can see the output. So this is not output. This is the preview of our font, that how our font will look like. Scroll up, and here I'm going to select regular 400. Click on select regular 400. Select view selected families. Click import and copy this link and paste this inside your CSS file. To use this font, you have to copy this font family property and paste here. To see this effect, first of all we have to link our CSS file with HTML. So I will type here link and href style.css. Now you can see the effect. The font size of our element is changed and this style is look better than before. Next, copy this video tag, paste here, and type width 100%, height 100%, position absolute, top 0 and left 0. And here we have to type 2 important properties. The one is object fit cover. So by using object fit cover property, the video will not stretch and it is fit in within its container, which is currently our complete body element, and you can see that our video is looking beautiful. It doesn't matter that on which screen size you open the screen, you can see the output. Our video will look completely responsive just due to object fit property. You can use this property object fit cover for images. This property will help your images to display to the user in a smart way or in a meaningful way. So next I have to type here z index -3. The purpose of z index is, you can see that when I give z index -3, our content is on the front side and our video is on the back side. For an example, you can take that we have two layers currently like Photoshop. So this is the background layer and this is the foreground layer. The more you will, suppose we have another element with -2 z index, it means that -2 is greater than -3. That's why that layer will look foreground to this layer. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Next we have to add the overlay effect on our video. To do this, simply you can see we have created a div element here, copy this overlay class and paste this class here and type position absolute, background, type this color code, top 0, left 0, width 100% and height 100%. So friends, you can see that currently we have a complete solid color and I have to type one CSS property, mix blend mode overlay. So you can see that our this overlay is mess up with our video and adding a blue effect on our video. So that was the functionality of mix blend mode overlay property. Next I will type here z index -2 because we want this overlay on the front or on the foreground of our this video. The video will be in the most background. Next I will type here opacity 0.5 second, not second, only 0.5 to decrease this overlay effect. Next we have to design our this navbar. To do this, simply I will copy this navbar class, paste here and type display flex, justify content, space between and align item center. Display property will align our this logo and list items in a same line. Justify content property will align this complete unordered list to the right side and to the logo to left side. And align item center property will align our items horizontally. You can see that our logo is exactly at the center position of our this list item. Next type here font size 1.1 rem to set the font size of our navbar. I will remove this font size property. I will use it in the later classes. Next type here color white, padding 20 pixel and 5%. Background RGBA, type 0, 0 and 0.4. So by typing this property, we have add a light background of black color behind our navbar. Next, copy this UL element, which is our unordered list, and paste here. And before this, copy navbar class and paste here. Tile list style none. You can see we have removed the bullets from our list items. Next, copy this li element and paste here, and before this paste these two words and type display inline block to align our list items in a same line. Padding 10 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from right and left. Font size 1.1 rem, letter spacing 2 pixel, text transform uppercase, z index 1000 because we want to display this navbar in foreground. Next I will type here cursor pointer. So our cursor will look like this when user will hover over these list items. I have zoomed out my screen to 100%. So next we have to add the hover effect on this list item. To do this, simply copy these words and paste them here and type :hover. Here I will type border 1 pixel solid white, so you can see a border when I am hovering over these list items. Next type border radius 10 pixels. So here you can see the border radius of our outline. Next I have to give style to my this logo. Simply copy this logo class, paste this class here, and before this copy this navbar class and paste this class here. This means that our this class exists inside this navbar class. So I will type here letter spacing 2 pixel, text transform uppercase, cursor pointer, add z index 100. So you can see the output. Next we have to design our this login button and this our main heading. To do this, first of all copy this content class, paste this class here and type text align center and margin top 200 pixel. Next copy this h1 element, paste here, and before this copy this content class and paste here. Here type text align center, letter spacing 3 pixel, text transform uppercase, color white, and font size 5 rem because we need this text in a big font. So you can see the output. Next we have to design this our button. To do this, simply copy this A element, paste this element here, and before this copy this content class, paste here and type border 1 pixel solid white. You can see a border around our button. Next type here padding 12 pixel from top and bottom and 50 pixel from right and left. You can see the output. Next type here color white, text decoration none to remove the underline from our link, and transition 0.5 second. So our hover animation will took 0.5 second. Let me show you. First of all, we have to add the hover effect on this button. Simply copy this and paste this here and type here colon hover, background color white and color black. So you can see that when you will hover over this button, it will took 0.5 second to change its color because we have add this transition 0.5 second CSS property here. So friends, we have almost done our code. At last I will type a media query here and type here maximum width 767 pixel. What it means? It means that the style that you will write inside this block of code will be implemented to your elements when user have screen width between 0 pixel to 767 pixel. So here I will type navbar display none. So friends, let me show you the output in a big screen. You can see that we have a beautiful and completely responsive video background here. Here you can see a navbar, and the remaining design is up to you that how you design your website, but make sure that the content of your website is king. Your background video is not important. If you will mess up your content with video, maybe it will destroy your user experience. So make sure your content will be clear to the user. I hope you must enjoy today's video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular videos and share this video with those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.